Alright guys, so you are on Mission 7A. Mission 7A refers to TEK 7A, which is this TEK right here, sensory language. So during this TEK, you're going to be learning how sensory language creates imagery in literary text. Sensory language is a really broad term, and it basically means language that makes you feel things using your senses. Pretty simple. So maybe it's language that makes you see something, makes you hear something, makes you taste something, makes you feel something. But any language that makes you feel is sensory language, and a lot of times sensory language creates imagery. And we're going to be talking a lot about imagery during this mission. Imagery is simply when an author tries to get you to see a picture in your mind. So, during this mission, you're required to do 3 builds. That's what it says right here. You must complete all the builds before moving on to sail. There's 3 of them. Every build is going to be related to a genre and to sensory language. So, the first build that you do is going to be related to poetry. TEK 3, poetry. And during this mission, or during this build, you're going to be looking at how imagery is used in poetry. Cool? Your second build, you're going to be using the genre of drama. Drama essentially means plays. And during this build, we're going to be looking at how dramatic irony is used in drama. Dramatic irony is a form of sensory language, so we're looking at how dramatic irony is used in drama. And the last build, we're going to be using literary nonfiction. Literary nonfiction is just a form of nonfiction or real text that uses things that are often found in literature, like fictional literature. So it's kind of a combination of both nonfiction and fiction. Now, for this build, this literary nonfiction build, we're going to be looking at how sarcasm, which is a form of sensory language, right here, is used in literary nonfiction. Cool? So that's basically it. If you've gotten to this point in the video, you know you got to do these 3 builds. What you can also do before this is a little bonus assignment right here. If you click this assignment page, download the document, you're going to have a little bonus assignment. Hit answer, add the file when you're done.